11:14 on a Thursday. Boy, weather has dumped. This has been such a bizarre winter, hasn't it, with all these tornadoes?
It has. I mean, but you look at it and you consider the fact that this is one of the strongest El Niños that we've seen on record, and this is a textbook El Nino type of cycle. 10 years ago when we saw it back in 2007, we had a similar situation, but a lot of the severe weather was just a little bit farther north around Orlando and Tampa. Yesterday, we certainly got it, though, up in sections of Charlotte County, but a much different scenario today on the NBC2 First Alert Live Doppler radar. We've got a few clouds off our coast. These clouds, though, not producing any rain, just some of those patchy fair weather clouds coming in behind a cold front, and you can certainly feel the side effects of that front. We've got temperatures in the lower 60s right now as we look down on beautiful Marco Island from the Marriott Beach Resort. The winds right now coming in at 3. That's a little bit deceptive, I think, because we've seen some wind gusts get well above that. We'll look at the wind gusts here in just a moment. First temperatures, a scan on our Weather Now network shows mostly around 60 degrees from Port Charlotte down through Cape Coral, 59 Fort Myers, and we've got upper 50s down the coast around Naples. And here's some of the wind gusts I wanted to show you from Estero down through the Naples airport, between 25 and 30 miles per hour. Close to that in Bonita Springs and Punta Gorda, we're looking at wind gusts just above 20 up around Punta Gorda. So that, of course, makes the air feel a little bit chillier with those air temperatures in the upper 50s right now, closer to 60. As we head into the afternoon, this is a snapshot around 3 o'clock where we're going to see our peak temperatures for the day, and we're only going to warm up to the mid to upper 60s. So I think most communities will end up staying below 70 degrees. So temperatures will be close to 10 degrees below the average for this time of year. So it looks like the pendulum could just keep swinging in both directions. We started off above average this week, and now we're back on the other end, below average. All right, here we go. Here's the forecast mode as we go through the afternoon. No big storms expected today. The atmosphere is quite dry and very stable as well with those northerly winds in place. So you can see tons of sun as we go through the second half of the day this afternoon. 4 o'clock looks good. It will be a little bit chilly, though, closer to 5 and 6 as temperatures start to drop back down into the 50s. And then overnight tonight, it looks like we're going to see a lot of 40s on the board as well. Boaters and beachgoers, we have a small craft advisory posted through this evening. That's because the winds are so strong, up to around 20 knots out of the northwest today. So today certainly not a good day to be out in a boat. Seas between 6 to 10 feet. Inland waters choppy. The water temperature there in the Gulf of Mexico right around 69 degrees. This evening, temperatures fall off pretty quickly. We're at 63 by 6 o'clock. 58 by 8 o'clock, and then mid to upper 50s by 10 o'clock. And this is where we're going to be by first thing Friday morning. We've got mid to upper 40s to the north around Arcadia, over to Port Charlotte, 49 Fort Myers, chilly down over South Lee County, and not quite as chilly down to the south, but still low to mid 50s, some light jacket weather first thing in the morning on Friday. And then as we go through the weekend, we actually have another reinforcing shot of chilly air. It's going to move into southwest Florida. So look, by Saturday morning, we're down to the mid-40s, only warming up to around 67 on Saturday afternoon. Then we start to see another temperature turnaround from Sunday into early next week. Highs rebound into the upper 70s to lower 80s. And then it looks like our sky will start to cloud back up on Wednesday. And the next storm system will probably arrive about a week from today. So it looks like late Wednesday into Thursday. And we'll, of course, keep you updated on that. That's your NBC2 First Alert forecast.
Jason, thank you.